today I'm reviewing the Ron Lab Dokdo Toner. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, I've been meaning to review this one for quite some time. I don't know, I've been reviewing a lot of toners lately. I really tested a lot over the summer, and anyway, so this has been my kind of new... I don't know, ever since Ron Lab came out with a reformulated sunscreen, really liked it, and I was more interested. I hadn't really tried anything from them before, and I really got interested because a lot of their brand products are fragrance-free and very gentle. So, anyway, so they call this, actually, they say 74 kinds of natural minerals in the deep sea water of Ulleungdo Mountain, the moisture balance of the skin. That doesn't make any sense, but I'm sure something's lost in translation, which is fine. Low irritation toner removes the dead skin cells in the pores, contains Panthenol, Allantoin, and Betaine to moisturize the skin and protect sensitive skin. This water-type texture quickly adheres to the skin and leaves it fresh, and I agree with all of that. I don't know much about the Ulleungdo Mountains, but someday maybe I'll get there and play with them or something. Anyway, okay. You know, I was watching a show upstairs. Actually, it was just on the background. I always have something on the background. There's a guy about leeches, talking about how great leeches are for his skin and his health. He was addicted to them. He has all these bottles of leeches, and it's great for your skin. I don't know. There's certain lengths I would go to try anything for my skin. I mean, I smear snail mucin on my face every night, but I don't know. Leeches, I might draw the line there. And then the lady after that was addicted to sniffing dirty diapers. Like, she keeps them dirty to sniff them later. I don't know. And this has went way off course. So let's get back to the product. Packaging, no issues with the packaging, although it's a clear bottle, so I just recommend keeping your cabinet, although there's not a lot of real sensitive to light and air ingredients in here. But in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it's not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no scent, which is wonderful for sensitive skin. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use. So some toners are easy, just pat on skin. This one I recommend using a cotton pad to smooth it over your skin because it's very liquidy texture. It doesn't pat well. So after cleansing, smooth it over your skin on a cotton pad. It'll help remove any leftover residue, makeup, oil, things like that. It's nice. It's easy to apply. It doesn't leave skin feeling sticky or dry afterwards. And then if you can apply your next step immediately before this dries, it'll help kind of with the hydration factor. I'll do a quick pH test for my pH guys there. Looks to be right around 5. Probably about 5, almost 5 exactly. So no issues with that. Let's see if I can hit it with the wastebasket. Nope, it's too far away. I hit it though yesterday, so it's got just a wonderful literal water texture. I mean, some toners are thicker. This one is not. It's water. Okay, so antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. So I've got Chondrus Crispus extract, which actually you will see in its other carrageenan in some foods. Protects skin, hydrating, things like that. We've got sugarcane extract, which is a humectant ingredient. We've got betaine, which is a hydrating and humectant ingredient. We've got something called Protease, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. You know, if an ingredient is good for skin, but it doesn't really have any purpose like soothing, brightening, cell turnover, things like that, they just call it skin conditioning, which just means it's good for skin. It doesn't really do anything other than just like help your skin. So we've got betaine, which is skin conditioning and hydrating ingredient. We've got Panthenol, which in my opinion is the superstar in this. Panthenol is skin soothing, hydrating, wound healing, amazing ingredient. And then finally, we've got Allantoin, which is skin soothing and hydrating. So really nothing super exciting in this one. We've got a lot of hydrating, humectant ingredients, which is why if you use this in your routine, apply your next step before this has a chance to dry because it will lock in some of those ingredients into your skin instead of just evaporating off your skin. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free as well as vegan, so that's awesome. Performance. So it's a nice, basic, no-frills, reliable toner. This can be friendly for most skin types. Even acne-prone skin, there are no acne-genic ingredients of note, which is amazing. It's fragrance-free. It leaves skin feeling soft, moisturized, not dry, not sticky. It's not the most exciting toner. A lot of people love it, and a lot of people will buy this one and repurchase it time and time again. I'm not so sure I'm like totally in love with it for that point because it's reliable. I like using it. Would I repurchase it? I don't think I would, but it's still a good basic toner. And then it's pretty affordable. This is a full size, which is 7 ounces, 200 milliliters. They also have a large size, which is 500 milliliters. And this retails for around $15. So it's pretty darn affordable. It factor, I'm stuck. It's nothing too exciting. It's reliable. It's gentle. It has a short ingredient list. It's acne prone, sensitive skin friendly. It's got a lot to like, but it's nothing like life changing. You know, like certain toners where you use them for the first time, it's like, this is amazing. Or certain essences like the Dr. Ciricle Kombucha Tea Essence or the Casa Rex Snail Essence. There's certain ones where you try it and it's amazing and it's like, I never want to be out of this. Or the Isntree Green Tea Toner. This just isn't it for me, but it's still a good basic formulated simple toner. So, you know what? There's a place for that too for a lot of people with very reactive skin or things like that. So, yeah. So, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 9. It's reliable, it's decent, it's affordable, it's unscented. It just doesn't have the excitement to me, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it doesn't work well for a lot of people in their routine. So, there we go. Interested if you guys have had a chance to try it or not, and if you have what your thoughts are. So, definitely leave a comment. Not everything in skincare has to be exciting. I mean, but it's more fun if it is, right? I don't know. Anyway, I will see you guys more tomorrow. Okay, bye, guys.